So now we have one more question with us, that is using factor theorem factorize the polynomial x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. This is a polynomial that we need to factorize. So what is the polynomial? Fx equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Since this is a polynomial of degree 3, that is a cubic polynomial, if we find its one factor and then divide by that factor, we will get a quotient that will be quadratic, and if we split that quadratic polynomial, we will get two factors from there. So from there, altogether we get three factors. So first of all, using integral root theorem, why we use integral root theorem? Because all this polynomial has all the integral coefficients and the leading coefficient is 1. So we use integral root theorem. We get that the roots of this polynomial should be plus minus 1, that is a factor of the constant, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 or plus minus 6. These are the probable roots of this polynomial. So we will start by hit and try. First of all, we will check f1. Let us check. f1 equals to 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6. So this is 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. This is 0. It means that x equals to 1 is the root of fx. It means that x equals to 1 is the root of fx. Since x equals to 1 is the root of fx, it means that therefore x minus 1 is a factor of fx. If x equals to 1 is the root of fx, move this one this side, then x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor, then x equals to 1 is the root. Remember, if x equals to 1 is a root, then x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor, then x equals to 1 is a root. So if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, then if we divide this complete polynomial by this factor, we will get the remainder 0 and we will get a quadratic quotient. So what I am going to do next, this part you have to do in rough. Why you have to do it in rough? Because here you have to utilize factor theorem. You don't have to utilize long division method. It is not just simply asking factorize. It is asking using factor theorem factorize. So the next part that I am going to do, you have to do it in rough. That is just a hint for the question. So let us divide. Take it here. X minus 1, it will divide x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. So it is x square minus 5x square plus 11x. So fx, this is fx, you know this is fx, equals to k x minus 1 x square minus 5x plus 6. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So it is 0, it is null. So let us do it like this. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. This is equal to k x minus 1 bracket split the middle term. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6, it is k x minus 1 x minus 3 minus 2 x minus 3. So this is where we have reached. Now put x equals to 0. Put x equals to 0. When you put x equals to 0 in all, you get minus 6 equals to k 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3. So it is minus 6 equals to minus 1 into minus 2, 2, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. So you get minus 6k. From it you get k equals to 1. So this part from here till here, listen, this part you have to do it in rough. This part you have to do it in rough. And after that what you need to do? See, this part you have to do it in rough. I am erasing it like this. This part you have to do it in rough. You have written till here. Before writing this part, you have come to know that x minus 1 is a factor, so x equals to 1 is a root. You have come to know that x minus 2 is also a factor, so x equals to 2 is a root. So write here like this. f2 equals to 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 11 into 2 minus 6, 8 minus 24 plus 22 minus 6. This is 30 minus 30 equals to 0. Therefore, is a root. It's also a factor. Next, you know x minus 3 is also a factor. So x equals to 3 is also a root. 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 11 into 3 minus 6. 27, 54. So it is 60 minus 60 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to 3 is a root. X minus 3 is a factor. After writing till here, till here, do it till here, then go solving this one. Do it till here, then go solving this one, and after that write it like this. Write it like this. Write it, and after that write hence fx equals to x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. This is factorized. This is the answer. This complete part you have to do it in rough, because the question is using factor theorem. Remember once again, since this is a cubic polynomial, find one factor and divide it. Find one factor and divide this polynomial by this factor. You get a quadratic quotient. When you get this quadratic quotient, split it like this. So one factor we have got it ready-made. From splitting this quadratic quotient, you get two other factors. From these two other factors, you get two other roots. So when you get two other roots, verify it like this. This is the rough. This is rough. From here you just get an idea how to put it randomly, because you have to do hit and try. So how many terms you will do hit and try? You cannot do all the terms hit and try. So from here you get a hint. So you can directly put f2 0, x minus 2 is a factor. f3 0, x minus 3 is a factor. Once you do these things, come here, arrange it like this, arrange it like this, okay, arrange it like this. You can write this line also, write it like this, take this line, write it from here, write it from here, write it from here to here, write it, this is x cube, put x equals to 0, so from here you get k equals to 1, now k equals to 1, so all the things are factorized. This is how you have to do it, this is the complete setup. Now in the next question I will tell you how to factorize a biquadratic polynomial using factor theorem. This is again the same thing. The only basic thing that you need to understand is when you get a biquadratic polynomial, it means here the degree will be 4. So first of all you need to find one factor with hit and try, then again you need to find another factor with hit and try, and multiply both the factor and bring a divisor that is quadratic. And when you multiply a biquadratic polynomial by a quadratic polynomial, then the quotient will also come quadratic. Then again split it, then again the same pattern. I'll tell you how to do it in the next question. Thank you.